Thousands of students choose MBA specializations every year, but very few ask whether their chosen field has a long-term future. The corporate world is now entering the age of artificial intelligence. Traditional roles are being transformed faster than ever before. Before choosing HR management, you need to understand this reality. Human resources was once considered a stable corporate career path, but today, AI systems are automating recruitment, payroll, and employee management. Many repetitive HR operations no longer require large human teams. Companies are increasingly investing in intelligent automation platforms. The structure of HR departments is changing globally. AI agents can now work 24 hours a day without interruption. They can screen resumes, answer employee questions, and generate reports instantly. They learn faster, scale faster, and operate at lower cost. Corporates are adopting these systems rapidly to improve efficiency. This transformation is no longer a future prediction. It is already happening. Modern businesses are under constant pressure to reduce operational costs. Automation has become a major strategy for improving profitability. Organizations now prefer lean structures supported by AI-driven systems. Traditional support departments are shrinking across industries. Efficiency and technology are becoming the new corporate priorities. The HR department of the future may look very different from today. A small strategic team could manage an entire workforce using AI agents. Most administrative tasks will be handled through intelligent automation. Human involvement may remain only in leadership and culture decisions. The era of large manual HR teams is slowly disappearing. A postgraduate degree requires significant time, effort, and financial investment. Students must evaluate whether their specialization matches future market demand. Choosing outdated career paths can create long-term professional challenges. Career planning today must be based on technological evolution. Smart decisions today can protect your future tomorrow. The fastest-growing industries are now technology-driven. Artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, analytics, and digital transformation are expanding rapidly. Companies are actively searching for professionals with future-ready skills. Technical adaptability has become a major competitive advantage. The future belongs to those who evolve with technology. The corporate world no longer values only traditional administrative expertise. Businesses now need professionals who can combine technology and strategy. Hybrid skill sets are becoming more valuable than single-domain knowledge. Understanding AI and digital systems is becoming essential across industries. The future workforce must think beyond conventional job roles. This message is not intended to create fear among students. It is meant to encourage awareness and informed decision-making. Every generation faces major technological disruption. The smartest professionals are those who prepare before change becomes unavoidable. Understanding reality early creates stronger career opportunities. The future of work is already being reshaped by artificial intelligence. Students must prepare for industries that will grow over the next decade. Continuous learning and adaptability will define career success. Do not study only for today's opportunities. Prepare yourself for the world that is coming next.